Hi guys, so this is a video that's going to walk you through how to get onto Canvas and the sections of Canvas that we're going to be using during this remote learning process. So as you can see right now, I am on our main front page for our English course. If you need to remember how to get there, you're going to go to the Laramie County 1 district page, and on the LCSD1 links here, you're going to click on Canvas. It'll open up a page for you. You will log in as a student with your student ID, username, and your password like you normally would at school. Okay. When that opens up, you'll most likely see your dashboard. If your dashboard doesn't look like mine, where it doesn't have these classes set up, and you don't know where to find our class, if you go over here to Courses and click on it, you'll see English 8A Gabbert, or if you're an honor student, you're going to see Honors English 8A Gabbert, and all you have to do is click on it there. For our purposes today, from my dashboard, I'm going to click on our course here. It does have the quill pen on it, so if yours looks like this, you'll see that as well. Okay, so this is our home page. I'm going to try to make sure this is updated each week so that your instructions, or the first thing you're going to do, is going to be right here. If for some reason this is not updated or you're confused here, if you look down at the modules page, I'm going to have our modules laid out by week in this quarter. See where it says remote learning start here? This is what that first page is. Okay, so I'm going to go back home. So from home, there were some directions here. If you watched my video, it told you to go over to our discussions tab, which every week I'll be posting a discussion topic. That's something you can participate in to put your thoughts in, whether you are a digital learner or a hard copy learner. And so this should have been the one that popped up for you guys. How are you? And this menu is going to be your friend. This is where you're going to find everything. Okay, so here every week, if you don't hit it in the modules, you're going to hit it and find your assignment here under assignments. And right here is what will be your assignment for the week starting April 6th. That hasn't been published yet, so you won't see that pop up until April 6th. Discussions is where we're going to see those discussions. If you ever get lost in the modules or assignments, you can always click on Pages here, but I will warn you, the Pages page, once you get to view all pages, is going to be a little overwhelming in my opinion, because every page that I've created for the entire course that's published is here in alphabetical order. So it's a way for you to navigate, but if you don't want to mess with that, you definitely don't have to. Any file that I upload, so that would be your articles, your assignments, anything like that, are going to be in the file system here. Again, this is all in alphabetical order, so it's not in any sort of organization outside of that. Here in grades is where you're going to be able to check in to see how you're doing. Right now you're going to see my grade book, and it's going to pop up with a bunch of red marks on it. Okay. If we ever have a quiz, it's going to be here. Remember when you took that stations quiz in class? Again, the modules are here. The last feature that I really want to show you in this video is, last two, excuse me, is here on the side. There's going to be a calendar feature. So what I'm going to do every week is assign things to you on a to-do list. But this is also going to be a great place for you to look and see what you have that's assigned to you. It's going to pop up in these calendar windows and show you what's due and when it's due as an item. You can normally click on it. It'll take you right to that page. So if you're somebody like me that needs a little bit of organization help, this is going to be a great spot for you to look. The last place I want us to look, oopsies, is here in the inbox. If you guys click on this, you're going to be able to type in my name and ask me questions. A couple of you have already utilized that feature, and I'm so glad you have. This is one more way to get a hold of me outside of Remind, especially if you're working in Canvas and you feel a little confused. That's a great feature to use because I can directly assign you things or point them toward you. So this is, again, just your little how-to on how to navigate Canvas. Later in the week, I'll hopefully make a video on how to submit assignments and type into discussion pages. But until then, I hope that this is helpful, and if you have any other questions, please reach out to me. Thanks so much, guys.